If you'll be following my channel for the past few weeks now, you will see that this is like a discovery. Since I got demonetized, I just want to sanitize. I just want to make sure that I start on the right foot. Yes. And I've been trying so many methods, so many, and I see that it's working for me. So don't see it when you see my video. I'm telling you this is what has worked for me, and you can try it also. For disclaimer purpose, I'm not forcing you. And I want to add this: if you know you're a new YouTuber and you know that you want to connect together, you can put it friendly in the comment section and genuinely you support people. Go to their page, see if it's something you will love to watch, support them, and subscribe. If it's something you know you would not do, don't bother to subscribe, because you are hurting or harming that channel at the end of the day. We need each other, but let's do it truthfully. So today I'm going to be telling you something that I found that I did in my channel that has got me 2,000 plus views, still counting. Before, that view was just peaking, was just there, but I did this method, and the way it peaked, it was so shocking, it was so surprising. And I will tell you this method, but I've said it in my other video. I'll have to look for it and put it here too, that I said, see, if you don't want your video to die, you have to do this in the first 3 hours or 2 hours. Is very important. Immediately you are posting your video, just do this thing that I want to tell you. Is very, very important. Honestly, it's very, very important. I'll be taking you to my studio so that you can see it practically for yourself. If I'm saying it here, most of you may not understand it, but when you're seeing it, you also try it on your own page. Or, I mean, sorry, you also try it on your own channel and see for yourself. If this is what you want to be saying up front, I remain with Vibe with Deborah, your number one coach. I always say it as it is. I know they do cho. I know they do cho. If this is what you want to be saying, click on the subscribe button so you will get notification when my video pops up. So let's go to my studio. Let me show you the magic. So I'm using my system, but if you want to use your phone, go to Chrome browser, type YouTube short. It will take you to your dashboard. You can see all this that I want to display here. So what we are going to do now, I'm going to go to YouTube dashboard here. I'm going to click on YouTube Studio, and it's going to bring me down to my page. So what we are doing now, you see this customization where this pencil sign is. You click on it because we want YouTube to be recommending us and want to get more views. So what you need to do is to go to Home tab. You click Home tab, you add section. You see this channel trailer is very important. Like, it's going to push your video. Anybody that is coming to your page or is checking on you, first they will see, is this your video? So the one that you just uploaded now, within that first 1 hour to 3 hours, is what you are going to put here. When you click on this, this is going to display all your channel for you. Then you are going to pick this one. I just uploaded this one. You're going to click this. When you click it, you go again, you say spotlight for returning subscribers, someone that is returning, that is coming to your page. You also click this again. It's going to give you, you also use this same one again. You can use anyone, but this is your video that you are just bringing, so that it will be able to push. So when YouTube is seeing that, oh, you just uploaded this video and you are getting 5 views, 6 views, 7 views, so YouTube is also going to push your video also further than just remaining for your subscribers or remaining on how to grow. Because most times when your video is not performing in the first 3 hours or 4 hours, most times it keep declining and it may not pick up again. We have some cases too, like your video may not be performing in the next 2, 3, 4 days and it will just pick up. But most time, if your video does not perform in the first 2 to 3 hours, it's going to just decline or just die down like that. So that is why you see a lot of people finding every means to make sure that they get this YouTube recommendation. That is why you see every person trying to copy their link and put it in their, whether their WhatsApp group, or share it to one or two persons to watch their video, because YouTube is trying to say that you dropped a video in the next 1 to 3 hours, at least you should be able to get likes, you should be able to get good views that shows that your video is good to recommend. That is mostly, that is what your big YouTuber do. They have a Telegram, they have a WhatsApp group. When they drop their video, they drop the link there that I just dropped the video, go watch it and support me. Then you come in the next 2 hours, you see that that video has peaked. Most of it is not organically, it's not that they just left it there and let YouTube do their work. They did the work. So that is why this, a lot of you don't know about this channel trailer for people who have not subscribed. A lot of people come to your page, only that YouTube have not gotten that who viewed your profile or something. A lot of people come to your page to search for one or two things, or come to check what you are doing. When they see it and that video you drop is grabbing attention, they stay. So that's why it's very important for you to do this on two things. Put your video in returning subscribers, put your video for those that have not subscribed, your video that you just did right now, make sure that video is okay, that they are learning one or two things from it. By that time you start seeing improvement on it, and you can leave it for 2 days, 3 days, depends on you. Then anytime you want to upload another video again, you can actually put that same new video and leave that one that you have kept there for 2 or 3 days. You just come to this place, and when you are done, when you come to this, when you are done, just click on publish. If you don't click on publish, everything you have done is not saved, is not so you have to click on publish like this, and you will get it. So anybody that goes to your page or go to your channel, for example, let me show you now. So you see, that's the first video people will see. So just try it, and you, if you're getting 10 views, you definitely get like 20-30 views, and YouTube will start pushing it, you start having impression. Yeah, so if you've not subscribed, click on the subscribe button so you get notification when my video pops up. Thank you.